Okay, guys, next Pokemon Black walkthrough episode. This time we're gonna wreck. Okay, so we talked to all these people. Okay, so where should we go? This Pokeball looks pretty, trustworthy. Ooh, double battle. Oh crap, there's a lot of trainers here. Okay. So, I guess we can start off right where we ended. Let's go here. Let's, go up. Fight this trainer, see what she's got. Chuck is gonna use Outrage. It's just that beast. Probably a one-hit kill from Chuck. And it is. Nice. Chuck is gonna grow to level 65, and I'm calling it, and I called it. I hate how these trainers just want to wait until you, like, get more powerful, and then they never want to face you again. Like, it just doesn't make sense. Ow, that hurts so much. It's super effective and got me down like 20 points, not even. That. Another on a roll. Chuck. But he became confused. Phanpy, what's that? Oh yeah. Oh, isn't that sad? Of course I would hurt myself in confusion. Earthquake. No. I fainted. Or Chuck fainted. So I guess we have to bring out, check some moves. Yeah, I'm gonna go with, Brendan. Brendan for the win! Brendan's gonna use Outrage. Does she have oh, she has another Pokemon. Isn't that sad that she's gonna get a one-hit KO? Oh, I became confused at the end of the battle. Ooh, scary. I say we should use Goldstein. Cotton Spore. But does it even hurt me? It just lowers my speed. Say Dragon Claw should do it. Oh, come on. Stop using that move. It doesn't do anything to me. Of course. One hit KO. I think that should do it. Yep. The reason why I'm making these videos because everyone's asking me, oh, so I beat Elite Four and N and G Assist, so what should I do now? Like, there's really nothing to do. So this is why I'm making this video, to tell them what they still have to do in Pokemon Black. Beedrill. The moves in Pokemon Black look so much cooler. Like Fire Blast, it looks so much better than Platinum. Kahuna. Kakuna. I say Dragon Claw. Ooh, Pokeball. What's this item? Revive. Full heal. Okay, so I'm going to respawn my Pokemon, and I'll see you guys next Pokemon Black walkthrough episode. So right now I'm just reviving my Pokemon. And the graphics are so much better in Pokemon Black. So much better. Max Elixir. Okay, so see you guys in the next Pokemon Black walkthrough episode. Reason why I'm shutting this down, because I don't want to go over the limit of time, because I don't have a partnership yet. And this is why, whatever, just I'll see you guys in the next Pokemon Black walkthrough episode.